Information and Communication Technology or ICT. First, let us define the information technology. Information technology is the use of any computer, storage, networking, and other physical devices and processes to create, store, secure, and exchange all forms of electronic data. So, here are some words that associated with IT. So, we have communication, hardware, computer, support, database, servers, internet, network, security, application, and software design. Some of these words are jobs and related to IT, and some of these words are just basic knowledge that related to IT. So what is ICT? ICT deals with the use of different communication technologies such as mobile phones, telephone, internet, and etc. to manage information. Here are the components of ICT. First is the software. Software is a set of instructions, data, or programs used to operate computers and execute specific tasks. It is the opposite of hardware, which is describe the physical aspects of the computer. So we have hardware. Hardware is a broad term that refers to all the physical parts that make up a computer. The internal hardware devices can make up the computer and ensure that it is functional are called components. So we have cloud computing. Cloud computing is the on-demand delivery computing services such as servers, storage, databases, networking, software, and analytics. Cloud-based storage make it possible to save files to a remote source. Next is Internet access. Internet access allows organizations and individuals to connect to the Internet using computers, smartphones, tablets, and other compatible devices. The last is digital data. Digital data is all information that is shared using technological devices. Data includes photos, videos, text-based files, electronic books, and newspapers. So now let's move on to information system. Information system is the collection of technical and human resources that provide the storage, computing, distribution, and communication of the information required by enterprises. Here are some components of IS. We have software, hardware, people, procedures, and telecommunications.